Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. So today I have a prescription eyeglasses review. And the company that I brought these glasses from is called Zeelool. Kind of a difficult name, right? Zeelool. So I think this was my first or second time trying this company. I tried some of the other ones. I like those too. But this company seems like the quality is a little bit better. So this is the box that it came in. A pretty blue box. So these glasses, I've been buying glasses online. I brought about 3 or 4. I think it's 3. Yeah, it's 4 because I lost a pair. I lost a pair in my ride one night coming home. And it's easy. You think it would be difficult to see your prescription and what to put in your prescription area, and I tried it. And also one time I got a little stuck and I went to an eyeglass place at the mall and I asked her, what does this mean? And she told me what it was. And so this is what this looks like. There are also some sites that will let you, I guess, download or upload your prescription, then they can tell, what your prescription really is. I'm not sponsored by Zeelool, but they have a polishing cloth here. And then they have this to measure, where it's supposed to be. And then you can put the size or whatever in there. What else they got in here? Looks like a $7 coupon here. Now, y'all, I really don't need to order no more eyeglasses, but that's $7 off because these glasses came to $11 and something because I was able to use the $7 coupon as a first time user. And I like this little pouch. So let me take these out. And my sister, she got an eyeglass wardrobe, y'all. Every time she come over or whatever, she got some cute eyeglasses on. So I want to tell you before I try these on, these are Dalton. The regular price right now is $28.95. That's a good buy. But with coupons and discounts, $11 and something. So look at these. I took this off. They had this on the front to protect it. Aren't these pretty, y'all? Look up here. I don't know if you can see it, but the stars. Isn't that cute? The lens is so clear. It has a nice heavy weight to it. I have some, the weight is not like this. Nice weight. So let me see what these things gonna look on. Now, actually, I like a square or rectangular shape. These are like large cat eye. I think they're gonna grow on me though. I like that they're green. I like that color. That's really, really pretty. So they have a place where up online you can try on the glasses. And so it's off a little bit, just a tiny bit, but they were good at telling me what to get. Isn't that cute, y'all? I think it would look better on somebody else. But I'm going to get me some listen to me, I'm beginning to have an eyeglass wardrobe too. My sister's glasses are bad, boy. They are really nice. They are so nice. And so her eyeglasses are expensive, y'all. I'm a cheapie, so I wanted to try these. And the main thing about it, I'm talking about the look, I can see very well in them. I sure can. What did you guys think about this? They're nice. They are really nice. And so the other eyeglass company, these weren't that great of quality, the arms, but these are, they made so well. They made so well. They made like the ones that I got from my doctor, but these are pretty. Those are not cute. I still wear them, but these are cute. I like this. I like this. That's how it looks inside. All you see is all that green. I like green and blue, y'all. So if you think that you want to try this company, maybe you want a wardrobe of eyeglasses. They also have these in sunglasses, and they nice. I see it in a black pair. Let me see what other color they got. Okay, they're showing the dark green, what I have. Let's see. That's the black, and what is this one here? Ooh, they got it in red, y'all. I might have to get that red. The red is $7, not $28.95. $7. So you know, by the time you add the lens and everything, the price goes up a little bit, but it's still inexpensive. I love these. So what I was getting ready to say, if you want an eyeglass wardrobe, maybe you want a certain pair of eyeglasses and it costs a lot of money, because they can cost hundreds of dollars or more than that. Okay. And you want to try different pairs, check out Zeelool and get yourself a lot of real cute eyeglasses and sunglasses. So this is my review, y'all. Let me know how you like these. I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can check them out. If you have tried Zeelool, please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this company, because so far this is the best one. This is the best one. Great quality. The glass is like thick, beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment, please subscribe, please share. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Bye now.